Hi, now we are going to discuss JEE Mains paper, September 4th, 2020, Shift 2 paper. As compared to Shift 1 paper, Shift 2 paper little more easier. And the most number of questions came from first year topic. 40% of the questions are easy level and the remaining medium level questions. There's no difficult type questions in this paper. So we can move to the questions. The first question, it's from continuity and differentiability. The function is given f of x is equal to pi by 4 plus tan inverse x. Mod x less than or equal to 1. That means x is in between minus 1 and plus 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. The function is pi by 4 plus tan inverse x. And mod x greater than 1. The function is half into mod x minus 1. Then options are continuous on all real numbers except 1, differentiable on all real numbers except minus 1, 1, like that options. So we can do this question by using a graph. So we can draw a graph. Minus 1 to 1, the function is pi by 4 plus tan inverse x. So this is minus 1. Here it is plus 1, 2, going like this. And here we can mark pi by 4, pi by 2, etc. Minus pi by 4, like this going. Then the value of the function, if x is in between minus 1 and plus 1, that is the function pi by 4 plus tan inverse x. So when you put x equal to 0, its value will be pi by 4 plus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0. So pi by 4. When x equal to 0, you will get pi by 4 answer. And x equal to 1. When you put x equal to 1, it becomes pi by 4 plus tan inverse 1. So tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4. So pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2. Here, pi by 2. And x equal to 1, it is pi by 2. Then x equal to minus 1 is tan inverse of minus 1. Tan inverse of minus 1 is minus tan inverse of 1. So it is minus pi by 4. So plus pi by 4 plus minus pi by 4. So its value is 0. So in this interval, we got the value like this. This is the value. So x equal to 1, you got pi by 2, and x equal to minus 1, you got 0. So this is a graph. So we can say that in between minus 1 and plus 1, the function is continuous. Then what about x greater than 1? If x greater than 1, if you put x equal to 1, it becomes half into 1 minus 1. That means 0. So from here onwards, here the value is missing because x equal to 1, the value is here. And x equal to 2, when you put x equal to 2, you will get half into 2 minus 1. So you will get half. You will get half, that is 1 by 2. So it will go like this. Graph will go like this. And in the negative values, when x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2, the answer becomes mod minus 2, that is 2, that is half, again half, and it will go like this. You know the graph of modulus function. So this is a graph. So by seeing itself, we can say that x equal to 1, it is not continuous. The function is not continuous. But x less than 1, the function is continuous. Okay, function is continuous. And x greater than 1, then also the function is continuous. But x equal to 1, that particular point, the function is not continuous. So we can say that the function is continuous all real numbers except 1. The function is continuous at all real numbers except 1. Then what about differentiability? If it is not continuous at a particular point, then that point the function is not differentiable. So we can say, definitely we can say x equal to 1, the function is not differentiable. And what about minus 1? Minus 1, there is a sharp corner, so we can say at x equal to minus 1, the function is not differentiable. So we can say it is continuous all real numbers except 1. So continuous in all real numbers except 1 and differentiable in all real numbers except 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma plus 1. So these 2 points it is not differentiable and that point it is not continuous. So the answer is third option, continuous on all real numbers except minus 1, not except minus 1 is given, so that is not correct. And second option, both continuous, is not correct. First option, continuous on all real numbers except 1 and differentiable on all real numbers except minus 1 comma 1. So first option is the answer. Okay, so first option is the answer. Then we can move to the next question. This is a second question. Union I equal to 1 to 50 xi is same as union I equal to 1 to n yi is equal to t, where each xi contains 10 elements and each yi contains 5 elements. If each element of the set T is an element of exactly 20 sets xi and exactly 6 sets yi, then n is equal to. So we can find out how many such xi's are there. Exactly 20 sets of xi. So in one set of xi, how many elements are there? And similarly in yi. So we can say that total in xi, I varies from 1 to 50. So 50 xi's are there and each contain 10 elements. So total it will be 50 into 10 elements will be there. Okay. And yi is total, there are n. Total n yi's are there. I varies from 1 to n. So n yi's are there and each yi contains 5 elements. So total will be 5n. Total will be 5n. And each t, you can see that t is an element and is exactly 20 sets. T contains 20 sets exactly and there exactly 6 sets. So we can say this one divided by 20, that should be equal to this one divided by 6. Okay, both should be equal because both are in T. So we can equate this, you will get 0 cancel, 2, 10 you can cancel, you will get 5. So 25, 1, 5 you can cancel. So 6 5s are 30 is equal to n. So we got n is equal to 30 is there, that is fourth option. Okay, that is fourth option, that is 30. Then what about third question? If lambda not equal to 0 be in R and alpha beta are the roots of that quadratic equation and alpha gamma are the roots of the second quadratic equation, then the value of beta gamma by lambda is equal to, that's a question. So alpha and beta are the roots of the first equation. So we can say that if alpha is the root of the first equation, then it should satisfy the equation. So we can put alpha is equal to alpha in the first equation. Then you will get alpha square minus alpha plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. You will get one equation. Similarly, alpha and gamma are the roots of the second equation. So alpha is again a root of the second equation. So 3 alpha square minus 10 alpha plus 27 lambda is equal to 0 because alpha is the root of both the equations. So it should satisfy both equations. Then first equation you can throw out multiplied by 3. Then you will get 3 alpha square minus 3 alpha plus 6 lambda is equal to 0. First equation just multiplied by 3. You subtract both equations, you will get minus 10 alpha, these two cancel, minus 10 alpha minus minus, so minus 7 alpha, 27 lambda minus 6 lambda, that is 21 lambda is equal to 0. From that you will get minus 7 lambda is equal to minus 21 lambda, minus 7 alpha is equal to minus 21 lambda. So alpha is equal to 21 by 7, that is 3 lambda. So we got a relation between alpha and lambda. Alpha is 3 lambda. So we can substitute this value in the first equation. If you substitute alpha is equal to 3 lambda in the first equation becomes alpha square, that is 3 lambda square, 9 lambda square, minus alpha, that is minus 3 lambda plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. From that 9 lambda square minus 3 lambda, that is minus lambda, is equal to 0. Then you get lambda into 9 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. From that you will get lambda is equal to 0 or lambda is equal to 1 by 9. So we got two values. Lambda is equal to 0 or lambda is equal to 1 by 9. Then lambda is equal to 1 by 9. Then what is alpha? One of the root you will get. Alpha is equal to 3 times lambda. So lambda is equal to 0. Lambda not equal to 0 is given in the question. So you can't take this value. Lambda equal to 0 is not possible because question is given lambda not equal to 0. So the only possible value of lambda is 1 by 9. Then when lambda is equal to 1 by 9, what's alpha? That is 3 into 1 by 9. That's equal to 1 by 3. So we got alpha is equal to 1 by 3. Then we know that sum of the roots, the quadratic equation sum of the roots is minus b by a. So alpha plus beta, sum of the root in the first equation, alpha and beta are the roots. So sum of the root is minus 1 by 1, that is 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to 1. That implies beta is equal to 1 minus alpha. What is alpha? That is 1 by 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Now you got the value of beta. Beta is 2 by 3. Similarly, in the second equation, its roots are alpha and gamma. So alpha plus gamma is equal to what? Alpha plus gamma is equal to 10 by 3 is equal to 10 by 3. Therefore, that implies gamma is equal to what? 10 by 3 minus alpha, that is 1 by 3. That's equal to 9 by 3, that's equal to 3. Now you got the values of beta and gamma. So we can substitute all these things in the question. Question beta gamma by lambda. What is beta gamma by lambda is the question. So we can do beta gamma by lambda is equal to. What is the value of beta we got? Beta is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into gamma. 2 by 3 into gamma value got 3. So 2 by 3 into 3 by lambda. Lambda also we got. Lambda is equal to 1 by 9. So lambda value is 1 by 9. Now these 3 cancelled. 9 in the top. So answer is 18. So its value is 18. Beta gamma by lambda, its value is 18 is there. That is fourth option. So answer is 18. Okay. Now we can move to the next question. So it's a question from quadratic equations. The next question. The next question came from differential equations. The solution of the differential equation. That differential equation solution is, which option is the solution? C is the constant of integration. So we can write the differential equation. dy by dx minus y plus 3x by log. dy by dx minus dy by dx plus 3, that you can write first, dy by dx plus 3 minus y plus 3x by log y plus 3x, log to the base e y plus 3x is equal to 0. That is a differential equation. That is a given differential equations. Then this you can write d by dx of y plus 3x. What is derivative of y? That is dy by dx. Derivative of 3x, that is 3. So d by dx of y plus 3x is dy by dx plus 3 minus y plus 3x by log y plus 3x is equal to 0. Okay. Now we can put y plus 3x as another letter. We can put u. Put u equal to y plus 3x. U equal to y plus 3x. Just take u as y plus 3x. Now it becomes du by dx. This is y plus 3x is u. So du by dx. Du by dx. Y plus 3x is u. So du by dx minus this is u by log u is equal to 0. Now this one take the other side. So du by dx is equal to u by log u. Okay. Now we can make it as variable separable form. So du by u is equal to du by du by u into log u. So log u du by u is equal to dx. Now it is in variable separable form. Now we can integrate on both sides. Now what is the derivative of log u? Log u derivative is 1 by u du. So if you take log u as t, 1 by u du become dt. Now t dt. What is integral of t dt? That is t square by 2. Integral of t dt is t square by 2. So t is log u. So log u the whole square by 2. Just take log u as t. Then its derivative is 1 by u du. That is dt. So t dt integral is t square by 2. T square, t is log u. So log u all square by 2 is equal to integral of 1 dx is x. So x plus c. Now you got log u the whole square by 2 is equal to x plus c. Now we can give the value of u. What is u? U is y plus 3x. So the answer become log y plus 3x the whole square. The whole square, that is log square divided by 2 is equal to x plus c. You can check this option is there or not. Answer is x minus is equal to c. That means take this x the other side, or take the c, you can write the other side. So x minus log square y plus 3x. Any option like that? X plus log square, that is 2 log, that is not 2 log, log y plus 3x, not half log y plus 3x the whole square is there. X minus s is equal to c is there. That is third option. Okay, third option. This you can rearrange as this. You can write this c. This time take the other side and c take this side. Minus c become another c. That is c minus c. You can write another c. Capital C. You can put c is equal to x is there. Take this term the other side. So minus half log y plus 3x log square. That means the whole square. So answer is c is equal to x minus half into log y plus 3x the whole square is equal to c is the third option. So third option is the correct answer. Okay, so this question, differential equation question, correct answer is third option. Now we can move to the fifth question. It's a question from sequence and series a1, a2, etc. an be given ap, whose common difference is an integer. Given common difference is an integer, and Sn, that is sum of n times. First term is 1, nth term is 300. So nth term is given, that is 300. So we can write an is equal to 300. Then what is an? An equation we can write a plus, a is 1. So 1 plus n minus 1 d, n minus 1 d, that is equal to 300. So 1 plus n minus 1 d is equal to 300. And n is in between 15 and 50 is given. Then the ordered pair Sn minus 4 a Sn minus 4 Sn minus 4 a n minus 4 is equal to. That is the question. So from this equation we can find out d, the value of d. So n minus 1 d is equal to 299. 299. So d is equal to 299 divided by n minus 1. 299 divided by n minus 1. So we can factorize the 299. It is a product of two prime numbers, that is 13 and 23. 13 into 23. If you do 13 into 23, you will get 299. So d we got 13 into 23 divided by n minus 1. Okay, when you factorize 299, you will get 13 into 23. Then question is given, d is a positive integer. D is an integer. Common difference is an integer. Not positive is not mentioned, but d is an integer. If d is an integer, this n minus 1 should be equal to, n minus 1 should be equal to, n minus 1 should be is equal to 13 or 23. N minus 1, it won't be negative. N, you know, n is n is always non-negative. Okay, because n is number of terms, it won't be negative. So n equal to n minus 1 is equal to 13, or n minus 1 is equal to 23, or it become 299, or n minus 1 become 1. Okay, or 299 is possible. 299 is possible, or 1. These are the possible cases of n minus 1. But question is given n value in between 15 and 50. So in the first case, you will get n equal to 14. So it's not possible because n is in between 15 and 50. And second case you will get n equal to 24. That is possible. N equal to 23 plus 1, 24, because in between 50 and 50. Next is not possible. 299 is outside of that region, and 1 is also not possible. So the possible value of n we got n is equal to 24 is the only possible value. If n is equal to 24, what about d? We can find out the value of d. So d is equal to 13 into 23 by 13 into 23 divided by 23. 24 minus 1, that is 23. 23 and 23 cancel, you will get 13. Now you got the value of d. D is 13. Now you got n 24 and d 13. Then question Sn minus 1, Sn minus 4, An minus 4. Sn minus 4, An minus 4. Okay. So first we can find out An minus 4. An minus 4. N is what? 24. So 24 minus 4 is 20. A 20. That is A plus 19d. A is what? A is 1. So 1 plus 19 into d. What is d? D value is 13. So we will get 3 9s are 27. 7 plus 1, 8. That is 248 is possible. 248. You will get A20 as 248. Then next is S20. N minus 4. N minus 4 is 20. So S20. S20 you can write 20 by 2. That is 10 into first term plus last term. First term is 1. Last term is 248. So 249. N by 2 into first term plus last nth term. So 248 plus 1, 249 into 10. So 2490. So is there 2490 and 248 is there? That is third option. So the correct answer is third option, 2490 and 248. That is the answer of this sequence and series question. Now we can move to the sixth question. The distance of the point 1 minus 2, 3 from the plane, that plane measured parallel to the line, parallel to this line. It's a question from three-dimensional geometry. So a point, this one is a plane, here a plane, this is one plane, this one is one plane. So this is the plane. Then distance from the point. So here one point. So the distance from this point. We can put this point as P. P 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 3. The distance from this point measured parallel to the line. So we can draw a line which is parallel to this. Here we can draw a line which is parallel to the same line. Like this we can draw. Now it is parallel. And that line is given. Equation of that line is given x by 2. So the direction ratios of the line is 2, 3, minus 6. 2, 3, minus 6 is the direction ratio of this line. 2, 3, minus 6. So these two lines are parallel. Then what is the distance from this point P to the plane? That's a question. Find the distance from this point P to that plane. Equation of the plane is given. That is x minus y plus z is equal to 5. That's the equation of the plane. That also given. So first we can write, if two lines are parallel, its direction ratios will be same. So this line direction ratio is 2, 3, minus 6, and this one is parallel. So we can write this line direction ratio is also 2, 3, minus 6, because lines are parallel, their direction ratios will be same. Now this direction ratio, or plus, there's a sign change only, or it will be same. So this is the direction ratio, this one is a point. So we can write the equation of the line PQ. Now we can write the equation of the line PQ. So the equation of the line PQ will be equation of the line PQ. Equation of line PQ is x minus x1. So x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by minus 6 is equal to lambda. This is the equation of the line. Then you can write a point on the line in terms of lambda. A general point on the line we can write in terms of lambda. So the point will be, the point Q you can write in terms of lambda. So general point Q you will get in terms of lambda. That is 2 lambda plus 1. X equal to 2 lambda plus 1. 2 lambda plus 1, comma. Y is equal to 3 lambda minus 2. 3 lambda minus 2. and z is equal to minus 6 lambda plus 3. Minus 6 lambda plus 3. Now, this is a point Q. Now, you got a point Q in terms of lambda. That means a particular value of lambda, it become here, like that. At a particular value of lambda, that point become Q. Now, Q is a point lies on the plane. We can see that Q is lies on the plane. If it is a point on the plane, it should satisfy the equation of the plane. So, the equation of the plane is given x minus y plus z is equal to 5. So, we can substitute this point there because it should satisfy, because that point is lies on the plane. So, we can substitute that point there. Then 2 lambda plus 1, 2 lambda plus 1, x is 2 lambda plus 1 minus y is 3 lambda minus 2, 3 lambda minus 2 plus z, that is minus 6 lambda plus 3, that is equal to 5. That is the equation of the plane, given plane. Now, 2 lambda minus 3 lambda, that is minus lambda, again minus 6 lambda, so you will get minus 7 lambda. Then 1 plus 2, that is 3, 3 plus 3, that's equal to, that is 6. 1 plus 2, that is 3, 3 plus 3, that's 6. So 5 minus 6, that become minus 1. From that you will get lambda is equal to 1 by 7. Now we got the value of lambda. Lambda is 1 by 7. Then we can substitute that value of lambda in this equation in that point Q. Then you will get a point Q. After that, by using distance formula, you can find out the distance PQ. So first we can find out the point Q. Therefore the point Q is 2 lambda plus 1. That is 2 by 7 plus 1. 2 by 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 2, 9. 9 by 7. 2 by 7 plus 1, that's 9 by 7. Next is 3 lambda. So 3 by 7 minus 2. 3 by 7. Lambda is 1 by 7 minus 2. So 3 minus 14. 3 minus 14. So minus 11. Minus 11 by 7. Minus 11 by 7. The next point is minus 6 times minus 6 by 7. Minus 6 by 7 plus 3. So 3 sevens are 21. 21 minus 16 is 15. So 15 by 7. 15 by 7. Now you got the point Q. Now we know the point P and we got the point Q. So we can find out distance by using distance formula. So the distance formula, the distance is equal to square root of 9 by 7 minus 1 the whole square. 9 by 7 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 11 by 7 plus 2. Minus 11 by 7 plus 2 the whole square. Minus 11 by 7 minus plus 15 by 7 minus 3 the whole square. Square root of 9 minus 7, that is 2. 2 by 7 square, that is 4 by 49 plus 2 sevens are 14. 14 minus 11, that is 3. 3 by 7 the whole square, that is 9 by 49 plus 3 sevens are 21. 15 minus 21, that is 6. 15 minus 21 is 6. 6 by 7 the whole square, that is 36 by 49. Now denominator is same, numerator is 49. So 49 by 49 root of 1. So answer is 1. So the distance from that point is 1 is there, that is second option. So the correct answer is second option. This is the distance measured parallel to a line. So we can move to the next question. F function f from open 0 infinity to open 0 infinity be a differentiable function is given. The function is differentiable in that interval such that f of 1 equal to e. So function at x equal to 1, the function value c, and limit t tends to x, that function is given 0. F of x is 1, then x is equal to. So first of all, limit t tends to x. Limit t tends to x, t square f square x. T square into f square x minus x square into f square t, x square into f square t divided by t minus x is given as 0. Its value is given as 0. And f of x is equal to 1, then x is equal to. That means y equal to 1, then what is the value of x? That's the question. So first of all, this one value is given 0. If you apply the limit, here t square into f square t minus t square into f square t. So 0, t minus t, 0. So it's 0 by 0 form. If question is 0 by 0 form, you can apply LH rule. So just differentiate the numerator and denominator. Then limit t tends to x. Limit t tends to x. So differentiate with respect to t. F of x you can treat as a constant like. So we can differentiate with respect to t. So f square x into t square derivative is 2t. So 2t into f square x minus x square is like a constant. So x square into f square t derivative is 2 times f of t. F of t all square derivative is 2 times f of t into f of t is f dash of t. Chain rule. F of t all square is 2 f of t into f of t is f dash of t by derivative of t is 1 and x is like a constant, so it's 0. That is equal to 0. So we got this one is equal to 0. Now you can apply the limit. If you apply the limit t equal to x, you can put t times to x, you can put then 2x into f square of x minus x square into 2 into f of x into f dash of x is equal to 0. Because 0 by 1 it becomes 0. So this is equal to 0. When you apply the limit, it becomes 0. Then only you will get answer 0. Now what is common? You can take it out. 1 2 is common, 1 x is common, 1 f of x is common. That 3 times you can take out. Then here remaining 2x 1 f of x. Then 1 f of x is remaining minus here 2 1x 1 f of x. Then 1 x is there, 1 f dash of x is there. Is equal to 0. Now product equal to 0, you will get x equal to 0. One possibility you will get x equal to 0 and f of x equal to 0. But f of x won't be 0 because question is given f of x equal to 1. So f of x equal to 0 is not possible. Then the only possibility is what? F of x minus x f dash of x equal to 0. So we can take that case. F of x minus x f dash of x. X f dash of x is equal to 0. That is f of x as y. We can put f of x as y. Then y minus x into f dash means dy by dx is equal to 0. F of x as y and f dash of x are dy by dx. So y minus x into dy by dx equal to 0. Then y is equal to x into dy by dx. Now we can make it as variable separable. So dx by x is equal to dy by y. Now integrate on both sides. So log y, log x is equal to log x plus log c is equal to log y. That is log y is equal to log cx. So you will get y equal to cx. Y equal to cx. Log y is equal to log cx. Now you got y equal to cx. So we got the equation y is equal to cx is the function. Then question is given f of 1 is e. That means at x equal to 1. When x equal to 1, y is e. F of 1 is equal to e. Substitute in this equation number 1. Substitute this in equation number 1. You will get e is equal to c into 1. That implies c equal to e. Now you got the value of c as e. Therefore, the function is y is equal to ex. Now, what is when y equal to 1? What is x? That's the question. Then y equal to 1 implies 1 equal to ex. That implies x equal to 1 by e. So the correct answer is 1 by e is there. That is the fourth option. So 1 by e is the correct answer of 7th question. Okay. Now we can move to the next question. The system of equations has infinitely many solutions. Then we know the condition. If it has infinitely many solutions, then delta is equal to 0. Determinant value is equal to 0. And delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, everything will be 0. So we can equate delta equal to 0 implies, what is delta? That is a coefficient of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Coefficient of x is 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 4, 2. 1, 4, 2. Then 1 minus 1 lambda. 1 minus 1 lambda. That is equal to 0. That is equal to 0 because the system of equation are infinitely many solutions. Then delta is equal to delta 1 is equal to delta 2 is equal to delta 3. Everything becomes 0. or determinant is 0 and adjoint into B is equal to a 0 matrix. So this is Cramer's rule, the other is matrix method. So this is delta equal to 0 we can equate. Then if it is 1 1 1, easily you can make it as 1 0 0 form, or directly you can expand, you will get answer. So 1 into, direct we can do. So 1 into 4 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda plus 2, 1 into 4 lambda plus 2, minus 1 into 2 lambda plus 3, 2 lambda plus 3, minus 1 into 2 lambda minus 3, so 2 lambda plus 3, then plus 1 into 4 minus 12, so minus 8 is equal to 0. 4 minus 12, so minus 8 is equal to 0. That is 4 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda plus 2 minus 2 lambda minus 3 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now 4 lambda minus 2 lambda, that is 2 lambda, then 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, minus 8, that is minus 9, take the other side, become plus 9. That is lambda is equal to 9 by 2. So we got the value of lambda, lambda is 9 by 2. Now we got the value of lambda. Then we can equate delta 1 or delta 2 or delta 3, then you will get the value of mu. After that we can check which option is correct. So if you want to get that mu, you can take delta 1 or delta 2 or delta 3, anything. We can do delta 1. Delta 1 means first column, or delta 3 we can do, that means lambda we can remove. Delta 3 how to find? Delta 3 means first two columns are same, 1 2 3 1 4 2, first two columns are same. The third column you have to replace by that constant 2 6 mu. This is delta 3. If it is delta 2, first and third column become same, the second column you have to replace by that constant 2 6 mu. And if delta 1, that means first column you have to replace by that constant, the second and third columns are same, that is delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Everything is 0 in case if it has infinitely many solutions. Now delta 3 is this one, just expand this one, you will get the value of mu. So we can, this one equal to 0 implies, this equal to 0 implies, just expand this equation. So 3, we can expand the third row, then easily you will get 3 into 6 minus 8, 6 minus 8, that is minus 2, then minus 2 into 6 minus 4, that's 2, next plus mu into 4 minus 2, that's 2, is equal to 0. That implies minus 6 minus 4 plus 2 mu is equal to 0. That implies minus 6 minus 4, it is minus 10, take the other side. So 2 mu is equal to 10, so mu is equal to 5. Now you got mu is equal to 5. Now we got the value of mu and lambda. Then we can check 2 lambda is what? 9. 2 lambda is 9 plus mu, 9 plus 5 is 14, is correct. Because 2 lambda option you can check first, because the 2 will cancel. This option 2 lambda is 9, 9 minus mu, so 9 minus 5 is 4, not 5. So second option is wrong. So third option is correct, that is 2 lambda plus mu is equal to 14. That is the answer of this question. You can check the previous year paper, you can see the same question. Same type questions are there in every paper. Infinitely many solutions, then does the value of lambda, mu, like that questions are repeating type questions. You can check the previous papers. Most of the papers, these type questions are there. Now, next question. Next question is from a trigonometry and sequence and series combination question. Trigonometry and sequence and series, one of the combination questions is this one. 2 raised to sin x plus 2 raised to cos x is minimum value. The minimum value question, most of the questions we are doing, arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean condition. These type questions also you can see in various papers. That also a repeating question. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Okay, application of this you can see in most of the paper. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Now you can take the terms are 2 raised to sin x and 2 raised to cos x are 2 terms. Then its arithmetic mean is 2 raised to sin x plus 2 raised to cos x by 2. That is arithmetic mean. The two terms I am going to take. One term is 2 raised to sin x and the other term is 2 raised to cos x. So a and b are the 2 times. Then a plus b by 2, that is arithmetic mean. So 2 raised to sin x plus 2 raised to cos x by 2 is arithmetic mean. A plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to root ab. That means root means all raised to 1 by 2. So 2 raised to sin x, a into b all raised to 1 by 2. So 2 raised to sin x into 2 raised to cos x, the whole power 1 by 2. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean condition. Now 2 raised to sin x plus 2 raised to cos x all divided by 2 is greater than or equal to a raised to m into a raised to n. That is a raised to m plus n. And a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to mn. So you can write 2 raised to sin x plus cos x, half into sin x plus cos x. Half into sin x plus cos x. Now take this to the other side. So 2 raised to sin x plus 2 raised to cos x is greater than or equal to 2 raised to 1 into 2 raised to half into sin x plus cos x. Now, then we have to find out this value. We know one thing, sin x plus cos x is always lies between, its maximum value is root 2 and minimum value is minus root 2. That we already studied, because a cos x plus b sin x is in between. A cos x plus b sin x is lies between root a square plus b square, root a square plus b square and minus root a square plus b square. So here a and b are 1 1. So root of 1 square plus 1 square is root 2. So this is in between minus root 1 plus root 2. So its minimum value is what? Minus root 2. Okay, its minimum value is minus root 2. So what is the minimum value of the question? Is a that is a question. So we can put minus root 2 here. Then it become 2 raised to, that is greater than or equal to 2 raised to 1 into 2 raised to half into minus root 2. So root 2 into half. Root 2 into half is 1 by root 2. So you will get 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Because sin x plus cos x, its value, minimum value is minus root 2. Root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2 is 1 by root 2. So minus sign is there. So you will get 2 raised to 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 by root 2. That is greater than or equal to 2 raised to 1 minus 1 by root 2. 2 raised to 1 minus 1 by root 2. Yes, any option like that. 2 raised to 1 minus 1 by root 2 is there. 2 raised to minus 1 plus root 2, 2 raised to 1 minus root 2, 2 raised to minus 1 plus 1 by root 2. The correct answer is 2 raised to 1 minus 1 by root 2 is there in the option, first option. 2 raised to 1 minus 1 by root 2 is the minimum value of that function. Okay, so most of these type of questions we are doing by using arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. The next. It's a question from integration. Integral pi by 5 to pi by 3. That time is equal to. So we have to integrate this one. That is integral pi by 5 to pi by 3. Integral pi by 5 to pi by 3. Pi by 5 to pi by 3. Just open the bracket. When you open, you will get a tan cube x. Tan cube x into 2 sec square x. 2 sec square x into sin square into sin square, sin raised to 4 3x, sin raised to 4 3x plus tan cube into 3 tan, so 3 tan raised to 4x, 3 tan raised to 4x, then sin 6x you can write sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, so you can write 2 sin 3 theta cos 3 theta, sin 6x you can change as sin 2 into 3x, so 2 sin 3x cos 3x, because sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin 6x is 2 sin 3x cos 3x. Then sin square 3x into sin 3x. So 2 sin cube 3x, sin cube 3x into cos 3x, into cos 3x, into cos 3x. Tan cube already we did, tan raised to 4. Then sin cube 3x into sin cube 3x, sin square 3x into one more sin 3x. So cos sin cube 3x into cos 3x, all into dx. Now if you look at that, we can say that what is the derivative of tan? That is sec square x is there. And tan raised to 4 derivative is what? That is 4 tan cube. Because here tan raised to 4 times is there. And tan raised to 4 derivative is 4 tan cube x into tan sec square x. And here sin raised to 4 3x is there. Its derivative is 4 sin cube 3x into sin 3x is cos 3x into 3 is also there. So we can rearrange this one. Just one, if 4 we need, 4 tan cube we need. So you can give 1 2 here, multiply and divide by 1 2. So half into integral pi by 5 to pi by 3, pi by 5 to pi by 3. Just multiply 1 2 and divide outside. So 2 2s are 4. So we can write sin raised to 4 3x into 4 tan cube. This 2 and this one, when you divide and multiply 1 2, so you'll get 4 tan cube x into 6 square x. 4 tan cube x into 6 square x plus here also we multiplied. So tan raised to 4x you can write first. Tan raised to 4x into when you multiply 2 it becomes 4. So 4 sin cube 3x into cos 3x into 3. This 2 into 2 4 dx. Now this you can write half into integral pi by 5 to pi by 3 d by dx of derivative of sin raised to 4 3x into tan raised to 4x. Look, dx. Now derivative of integral of derivative, that derivative of this one. So look at here, sin raised to 4 3x into this one derivative is 4 tan cube into 6 square, and tan raised to 4x into this derivative is 4 sin cube into cos 3x into 3x 3. Now derivative and integral cancel. Derivative and integrals cancels each other. So you will get the answer is half into sin raised to 4 3x into tan raised to 4x. Limit from pi by 5 to pi by 3. Now we can apply the limit. When you put pi by 3, actually it is pi by 6 to pi by 3 is the question, not pi by 5, because pi by 5 value we don't know. Pi by 6 to pi by 3 is the question. Okay, pi by 6 to pi by 3. So first apply the pi by 3 limit. You will get half into. When you put pi by 3, it becomes sin 3 into pi by 3. Sin 3 into pi by 3 is sin pi. Sin pi value 0. So when you put pi by 3, it becomes 0. Pi by 3 it becomes 0 minus. Then pi by 6. When you put pi by 6, this becomes 3 into pi by 6. That is pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. So this term is 1 into tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 value is tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 raised to 4. That is 1 by 9. So its value is 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 9, minus is there. So answer is minus 1 by 18. So minus 1 by 18 is there. That is the third option. So the correct answer is third option, minus 1 by 18. So it's a question, both combination of trigonometry and integration. Okay. So next is 11th question from conic section. A circle passing through the intersection of the circles. That two circles intersection. The circle passing through the intersection of that two circles and having center on the line. Center lies on the line. Its center on the line. This line. That circle center lies on this line. Also passes through the point. Which option is the answer? So first of all, we can write the equation of circle passing through the intersection of two circles. That is first circle plus lambda into second circle is equal to 0. Like line, like plane we studied. L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. That is the equation of the line passing through the intersection of two lines. And plane also we studied. Pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 is equal to 0. That is the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of two planes. So similarly, equation of the circle passing through the intersection of two circles is first circle plus lambda into second is equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 6y plus lambda into second circle. Second circle x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. First circle plus lambda into second circle is equal to 0. That is 1 plus lambda into x square, 1 plus lambda into x square plus 1 plus lambda into y square minus 6y. This is 6y. First circle equation is x square plus y square minus 6y. So minus 6y minus 4y. So you will get minus 6y. So minus 6 minus 4 lambda. So we can take minus outside. 4 lambda into y is equal to 0. So 1 plus lambda into x square plus 1 plus lambda into y square minus 6y minus 4 lambda y. So we can take minus y outside. Then 6 plus 4 lambda into y is equal to 0. Now we got an equation. Okay. Now this one's center is lies on. It's a question. So you can throw divide by 1 plus lambda. Then you will get, I think question is there 6x minus 6x is the question. So we can do with 6x. If any change, we can correct the 6y. 6x will be the question. So this become minus 6x. Okay, minus 6x. Then this become, here the term become minus 6x minus 4 lambda y is equal to 0. Now through divide by 1 plus lambda, you will get x square plus y square minus 6 by 1 plus lambda minus 4 lambda by 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. Now this is the equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So we can write the center. So center of the circle is, its center is 2g, that is minus g minus f is the center, that you know. So 3 by, it's half and change the sign. So 3 by 1 plus lambda, comma 2 lambda, its half is 2 lambda by 1 plus lambda. Now this center lies on this line. That means this line should satisfy this point. So we can substitute this point in that line. Then 2 times x. So 6 by 2 times 3, 6 by 1 plus lambda, 6 by 1 plus lambda minus 3 times y. So 3 2s are 6 minus 6 lambda by 3 times y. So 3 times 2 lambda, 6 lambda plus 1 plus lambda plus 12 is equal to 0. So equal to minus 12 we can put, equal to minus 12. That is 6 minus 6 lambda. 6 minus 6 lambda is equal to minus 12 lambda. Minus 12 lambda. That is 12 lambda minus 6 lambda. That is 6 lambda is equal to minus 12 lambda. They take this side. So 12 lambda minus 6 lambda is equal to minus 12 minus 16. That is minus 18. That implies lambda is equal to minus 3. Now you got the value of lambda. Lambda is minus 3. If lambda is minus 3, then we get the equation. So the equation become, just put lambda is equal to minus 3 there. Then the equation become, here you can put, so 1 plus lambda into x square. Lambda is minus 3. So 1 plus minus 3, that is minus 2. So minus 2x square plus minus 2y square minus 6x. So minus 6 into, so plus 18 minus 6x of same. Minus 6x is same, there is no lambda. So we can put minus 6x as same. Minus 6x minus 4 lambda. So lambda is minus 3. So plus 12. 4 plus 12, y is equal to 0. Now throughout divide by 2, you'll get x minus 2. So x square plus y square. Here it become plus 3x. Here it become minus 6y. 12 by minus 2 minus 6y is equal to 0. Now you got the equation of circle. Then which point satisfies this one? If you substitute which point, you will get answer 0. You just check. If you check the first point, when you put x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 3, this become 10. This become 10 and this become 1 3s are 3. So 13 and 18, it won't be 0. If you put the last point, what about last point? Minus 3 square, that is 9 plus y square, that is 36 plus 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9, and 6 into minus 6, that is minus 36. It will cancel, so answer is 0. That means fourth point, the last point will satisfy this equation. So the fourth point, 11th question, the fourth point satisfies the equation. So that point is a point on the circle. This is the equation of the required circle. Okay, now we can move to the next question. 12th question. What is 12th question? The angle of elevation of a cloud C from a point P is 200 meter above still lake is 30 degree. If the angle of depression of the image of that point C in the lake from the point P is 60 degree, then PC is equal to. That's a question. We can draw a rough sketch. So this is one point. Or first we can draw the lake. So here. This is a lake. Then the angle of elevation of a cloud C from a point P 200 meter above the still lake. So 200 meter above, here one point which is 200 meter above of this lake. So I'm going to put that point as P. This point as P. The distance is 200 meter. 200 meter. And from that, the angle of elevation of a cloud C from a point P is 200 meter above still lake is 30 degree. So here one cloud. Here we can say cloud. That is C. This point we can mark C. So this is C. This point is C. And this angle of elevation is 30 degree. Angle of elevation is 30 degree. If the angle of depression of the image of C, so this is the image of C, we can put C dash, the image of C in the lake from the point P is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. The angle of depression is 60 degree. Then the length PC, we need to find this one. This length PC we need to find is equal to. PC is equal to, that's a question. Find the value of PC. Okay. So we need to find the value of PC. So this distance is 200, then we can say this distance is also 200 from this distance, 200. This distance is also 200. This we can put x. So this distance is x. This one we can put x. And this we can put y. And if it is 200, this is also 200 because from this point 200 plus x meter away, see. So the image is also the same, 200 plus x meter away. So from here to here, the distance will be 200 plus x. 200 plus x because this is from this point to here it is 200 plus x. Then the same distance will be from this point to here because this is the mirror line. So the image from this point to C, the same distance as this point O. If you put this point as O, then OC becomes same as OC dash because C dash is the image of C. So this distance is 200 plus x, then this must be 200 plus x. Now from the triangle, this we can put Q, the point Q. Then from the triangle PQC, what about tan 30 degree? If you take tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree is equal to x by y, Tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. So y is equal to, this is 1 by root 3. So y is equal to root 3x. So we got y is equal to root 3x. Similarly, from this triangle, we can take, this is C dash. So from triangle PQC dash, we can take tan 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to, opposite is, this is 200 plus x plus 200. So 400 plus x divided by y. Okay, 400 plus x by y. Now what is tan 60? That is root 3. So root 3 y is equal to 400 plus x. Now we got the value of y, that is root 3x. So root 3 into root 3x is 3x. So 3x minus x is equal to 400. So 2x is equal to 400. So x is equal to 200. Now we got x is equal to 200. X is equal to 200 meter. Then 200 meter. Then find the value of x is 200 and what's y? Then y we know it because we need to find PC. So from the triangle we can take sine 30 degree. So sine 30 degree is equal to what? Sine 30 degree is equal to x by PC. So sine 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. So PC is equal to 2x. So answer is 2 times 200. So answer is 400 meter. So the value of PC is 400 meter is there. First option is 400. So the value of PC is 400. So we can move to the next question. 13th question. If A and B are real numbers such that 2 plus alpha the whole raised to 4 is equal to A plus B alpha, where alpha is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, then the value of A plus B is equal to, that's the question. So alpha is given minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. We know that minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 is omega. So omega is same as alpha. That omega relations we know. Omega cube is 1. Omega is a cube root of unity. And 1 plus omega square, its value is 0. We know the relations between omega and omega square. If omega is a cube root of unity, that is the relation. So here alpha is same as omega. So the question is 2 plus alpha all raised to 4 you can write. 2 plus alpha the whole square is equal to A plus B alpha. That is 4 plus 4 alpha plus alpha square the whole square is equal to A plus B alpha. Then this you can write 4 plus this 4 alpha, that you can write 3 alpha plus alpha square. The whole square is equal to A plus B alpha. Alpha is a cube root of unity. So we know that alpha plus alpha square its value is minus 1. Alpha plus alpha square is minus 1. So this term become minus 1. So 4 minus 1 it become 3. So you'll get 3 plus 3 alpha. The whole square is equal to A plus B alpha. Now on 3 is common, take out. So 9 into 1 plus alpha whole square. 1 plus alpha the whole square is equal to A plus B alpha. That is 9 into, just expand this one, 1 plus 2 alpha plus alpha square is equal to A plus B alpha. Now what is 1 plus alpha square? 1 plus alpha square is 0. So 1 plus alpha square is minus alpha. So this 1 plus alpha square you can write minus alpha. So 9 into 2 alpha minus alpha is equal to A plus B alpha. So that is 9 alpha. 9 alpha is equal to A plus B alpha. So 0 plus 9 alpha. Now compare both. You will get A equal to 0 and B equal to 9. So A plus B is the question. So A plus B becomes 0 plus 9. Okay, 0 plus 9. So answer is 9. That is the fourth option. Okay, the answer is fourth option. Then we can go to the next question, that is 14th question. The 14th question, in a game, 2 players A and B take turns in throwing a pair of fair dice, starting with player A, and the total of scores on the 2 dice in each Each throw is noted. A wins the game if he throws a total of 6 before B throws a total of 7, and B wins the game if he throws a total of 7 before A throws the total of 6. The game stops as soon as either of the player wins. The probability of A winning the game is. So, two players A and B take throwing a pair of die. We know that a pair of die, if you throw a pair of die, total there will be 36 outcomes. A pair of die, total 36 outcomes. And when player A wins, if A wins the game, he throw a total of 6. If he gets 6, then he will win. Then which case of 6 will come? That is 1, 5. First die shows 1 and second die shows 5. You will get a sum of 6. And 2, 4. 2, 4. Then 3, 3. 3, 3. Then 4, 2. 4, 2. Then 5, 1. So A winning the game, its probability is what? 5 by 36. Because in these 5 possibilities, A will win. So the probability that A wins the game, is 5 by 36. So A does not win is a complement, that is 1 minus 5 by 36, that is 36 minus 5, that is 31 by 36. That is the probability of A does not win the game. If A win the game, 5 by 36. Similarly, B, if he gets 7, then B will win the game. So 7, which cases 1, 6, 7 will come, 2, 5, then 3, 4, then 4, 3, then 5, 2, and 6, 1. So total 2, 4, 6 cases. So probability that B wins the game is 6 by 36. B wins the game is 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Then probability of B complement, B does not win the game, that is 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Then the game stops as soon as either of the player wins. The probability that A winning the game. So question, find the probability that A wins the game. So in the first case, A wins the game means the answer, total probability will be, first A wins the game, then the game will over, or A does not win, and then next to B10, B also does not win, then next to A wins, or A does not, B does not, again A does not, B does not, then A wins. So like this, A wins, the possibility of A wins the game. Then what is its probability? Probability of A wins the game, we know that A wins the game, its probability is 5 by 36. So A is 5 by 36 plus A complement, its probability, we know that its probability is what? 31 by 36. So 31 by 36 into B complement is 5 by 6. Again A, that is 5 by 36 plus A complement is 31 by 36. 2A complement, so 31 by 36 square, 2B complement, so 5 by 6 square into A is what? A is 5 by 36 plus etc. It's going like this. That's equal to, now all the time, what is common? 5 by 36 you can common, you can take it out. 5 by 36 is common in all the time, that we can take out. Then here 1 plus, here this 5 by 36 if you take, then what is remaining? 31 by 36. 31 by 36 into 5 by 36 plus the next term, if you take this 5 by 36, 31 by 36 square into 5 by 6 square plus etc. That's equal to 5 by 36 into, look at this one is a GP, first term 1, then 31 by 36 into 5 by, then it's square, then it's cube, like this going up to infinity. So this sum to infinite times of a GP, that we know A by 1 minus R. So A is 1 by 1 minus R. R is a common ratio. Here common ratio is 31 by 36 into 5 by 36. That is a common ratio. Now we can simplify this one. So 5 by 36 into 5 by 36 into this you can close, then 36 into 36. So 36 square 1 by 1 by 36 into 36, 36 square minus 31 into 5, 31 into 5 divided by 36 divided by B complement is what? B complement is 5 by 6, not 5 by 36. It's 5 by 6 only. So here is 5 by 6 and here is 5 by 6 square. Okay, 5 by 6, 5 by 6 square. So here it becomes 5 by 6 only. This is 5 by 6 is the combination, is 31 by 36 into 5 by 6. So here also. So the answer become 5 by 36 into 5 by 36 into, just cross multiply, this is 216. So 1 by 216 minus 31 into 5, how much? 155. 155 divided by 216, that is 36 into 6. Now this 36 will cancel, and 6 will be on the top. So 30 by 5 6 are 30. So 30 by 216 minus 155. So 216 150, that is 66 minus 5, that is 61. So answer is 30 by 61 is there. Which option? That is fourth option. So 30 by 61 is the answer. Okay. So probability that A wins is 5 by 36 and A does not is 31 by 36. Similarly, B wins 1 by 6 and B does not 5 by 6. Question, what is the probability of A wins the game? So first time A can win, or first time if A is not winning, then B is also does not, then next to A wins. Like that it will go. So it's a GP, infinite GP. Then we can take the sum. You will get 30 by 61. So we can move to the next question. The next question, let x equal to 4 with the directress of an ellipse. It's a conic section question. X equal to 4 with the directress of an ellipse whose center is at origin and its eccentricity is 1 by 2. So x equal to 4 is the directress. We know ellipse directress. X equal to plus or minus a by e. So x equal to a by e is the directress. So that is given 4. That is given 4. X equal to a by e is the equation of the directress. That is given 4. So a by e is equal to 4. An ellipse and whose center is at the origin and this eccentricity is 1 by 2. So E is given, E is equal to 1 by 2. E is equal to 1 by 2. If 1 beta, P is 1 beta be a point on that, beta greater than 0 is a point on the ellipse, then the equation of the normal to it at P is, equation of the normal to it at P is. So we can put the value of E here, then A by 1 by 2. A by 1 by 2, that is 2A. So just put E equal to 1 by 2. So 2A is equal to 4. That implies A is equal to 2. Now we got A is equal to 2. Then we can find the value of B. B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. To substitute the value, A square is 4 into 1 minus E square is 1 by 4. E square, its value is 1 by 4. That is 4 minus 1, 3 by 4, so 3. So B square is equal to 3. Now we got B square is equal to 3. So we got A value and B square value. A square value is 4, B square value is 3. Therefore the equation of the ellipse is x square by A square. A square is 4 plus y square by B square. B square is 9, 3. B square is 3 is equal to 1. This is the equation of the ellipse. X square by 4 plus y square by 3 is equal to 1. And 1 beta is a point on this ellipse. That means 1 beta should satisfy this equation. So 1 beta we can apply here. 1 beta is a point on the ellipse. So we can put x equal to 1. So 1 by 4 plus beta square by 3. Y is beta. So beta square by 3 is equal to 1. So beta square by 3 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. So 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 4. So beta square is equal to 9 by 4. So beta is equal to root of 9 by 4. That is 3 by 2. So we got beta is equal to 3 by 2. Now we got the value of beta. Then the equation of the normal to it at P is, we need to find the equation of the normal to the point beta, 1 beta. So the equation of the normal we know in case of ellipse, that is a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. That's the equation of the ellipse. So a square is 4 here, a square is 4. So 4x by x1, the point is 1 beta. So x1 is 1 minus b square y, b square is 3. So 3y by y1, y1 is beta, beta is 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So we can put 3 by 2 is equal to a square minus b square is 4 minus 3, that is 1. So these 3 will be cancelled, 2 on the top. So you'll get 4x minus 2y is equal to 1. So we got the equation 4x minus 2y is equal to 1 is there. That is second option. So answer is 4x minus 2y is equal to 1. That is the second option. Now we can move to the next question. That is question number 16th question. The contrapositive of the statement. We know that if P implies Q is a statement, its contrapositive is negation Q implies negation P. That is the contrapositive of the statement. The second statement, negation, you have to say first. So here the statement is, if a function f is differentiable at a, then it is also continuous at a. So P is function f is differentiable at a, that is P. Q is the function is continuous at a. So first you have to say the negation of Q. That means if the function is not continuous at x equal to a, then the function is not differentiable at a. Any option? Which option is that? The function is f is continuous, second f is not continuous, then it is differentiable. Third option, function is not continuous and then it is not differentiable at a. S is there, third option. The fourth one, if a is function f is continuous. So answer is third option, contrapositive. If function f is differentiable at, then it is also continuous. So a function is not continuous at x equal to a, then the function is not differentiable at a. So is there, function f is not continuous at a, then it is not differentiable at a. That is third option. So the contrapositive of that statement is third option. Very easy question. The next question. The next question, 17th one. The area in square units of the largest rectangle ABCD, whose vertices A and B lies on the x-axis, and the vertices C and D lies on the parabola y equal to x square minus 1 below the x-axis. So we can draw a rough sketch. So a parabola y equal to x square minus 1. That means when x equal to 0, y is minus 1. X equal to 0, y is minus 1. So this is a parabola. It's like that one parabola. So we got a parabola like this. Then a point ABCD, the area of largest area, rectangle ABCD, whose vertices A and B are lies on the x-axis. So we can put this here A. So we can draw a rectangle here. So this point we can mark A, this point we can mark B, this point we can C, this point is D. So we got a rectangle ABCD. Then A and B are points lies on the x-axis. So we can put A equal to point x0 because it's a point on the x-axis. So we can put A is x0. Then B will be minus x0. B is minus x0 because it's a negative x-axis. So A is x0 and B is minus x0. And the point C will be, C its x coordinate is minus x. Its x coordinate is minus x because it's rectangle, so it's perpendicular. So the same will be x coordinate minus x. And y coordinate, it lies on the curve y equal to x square minus 1. So when you put x equal to minus x here, minus x square is x square. So x square minus 1 is y. Y is x square minus 1. So y coordinate is x square minus 1. Now you got the points A, B, C. Okay, we got the points A, B, C. Then the area of rectangle ABCD. Area in square root of the largest rectangle. That means the maximum area we need to find. Maximum area we need to find. Okay, so area of rectangle we know that L into B, L. So L is what? X minus minus x, 2x. So its area is equal to, area is maximize its area. Area is L into B. Then L is x minus minus x, that is 2x into B. B is this distance. This distance will become root of x minus minus x 0. Root of 0 minus x square minus 1 whole square. That is root of x square minus 1 the whole square is x square minus 1. That is L and B. Therefore, its area is 2x cube minus 2x. That is area A. Then you have to maximize the area. So we need to find A dash. Application of derivatives. A dash is equal to 6x square. 6x square minus 2. Then A dash is equal to 0 implies. A dash equal to 0 implies 6x square is equal to 2. So x square is equal to 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. So x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. So we got two values, x equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Then we need to find a double dash. A double dash is equal to 12x. So when you put x equal to minus 1 by root 3, it becomes negative. So a double dash of minus 1 by root 3, it becomes negative. That means area is maximum at x equal to minus 1 by root 3. The area is maximum at x equal to minus 1 by root 3. Then we need to find the maximum area. Question, find the maximum area. So maximum area is equal to, therefore the area, maximum area, A max, area maximum is equal to, substitute in the given area expression. So 2x cube minus 2x, there you have to substitute x equal to minus 1 by root 3. So answer is 2 into minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3 the whole cube, minus 1 by root 3 the whole cube, minus 2 into minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3. That's equal to 2 into minus 1 cube is minus, so minus 2 by root 3 cube is 3 root 3, minus that become plus 2 by root 3. Then multiply 1 3 here and here, root 3 here and here. So 2 by root 3 here we got 2 by root 3. So just to multiply 1 3 in the numerator and denominator. Now 6 minus 2, that is 4. So 4 by 3 root 3. So we got the maximum area is 4 by 3 root 3 is there. It's the first option. So answer is 4 by 3 root 3 is the maximum area. Okay, so combination question from conic and application of derivatives. Next, 18th question. If some positive integer n, the coefficient of 3 consecutive terms in the binomial expansion of 1 plus x all raised to n plus 5 are in the ratio 5 is to 10 is to 14. Then the largest coefficient in this expansion is, so 3 consecutive terms are given. So we can take the 3 consecutive terms, tr plus 1 and tr plus 2 are the 3 consecutive terms. Tr plus 1, we know the equation of tr plus 1, r plus 1 to 10, that is ncr, n is here n plus 5, so n plus 5 cr, 1 raised to, so only coefficient we need to take, no need to take the x, only the coefficient ratio is given, so n plus 5 cr, that is the r plus 1 to 10, and trth term, n plus 5 cr minus 1, and r plus 2 to term, n plus 5 cr plus 1. That are the terms, coefficients. These coefficients ratio is given 5 is to 10 is to 14. That means tr plus 1 by tr is given, tr plus 1 by tr is given 10 by 5. What is tr plus 1? That is n plus 5 cr by n plus 5 cr minus 1. That's equal to 2. 10 by 5 is 2. Then what is ncr by ncr minus 1? ncr by ncr minus 1 is n minus r plus 1 by r. That is the result, n minus r plus 1 by r. So this become, you will get n is here n plus 5. So n plus 5 minus r is here r itself. N plus 5 minus r plus 1 by r. That is equal to 2. That implies n plus 6 minus r is equal to 2r. n plus 5 plus 1, n plus 6 minus r is equal to 2r. That implies it becomes 3r. So n is equal to 3r minus 6. n equal to 3r minus 6. We got one equation, n equal to 3r minus 6. And the second case we can take tr plus 2 by tr plus 1. That also given. Tr plus 2 by tr plus 1 is 14 by 10. Then the same result we can give. What is tr plus 2? That is n plus 5 cr plus 1 by n plus 5 cr is equal to 7 by 5. Just divide by 2. So 7 by 5. Again the same result we can put. So n plus 5 minus r. R is here r plus 1. So minus r minus 1. Then plus 1. N minus r plus 1 by r. R is here r plus 1. That is equal to 7 by 5. then we can simplify. You will get 5n plus 5 5s are 25, 5n plus 25, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 5r is equal to 7r plus 7, 7r plus 7. That is 5n is equal to 5n is equal to 7r plus 5r, that is 12r, 7 minus 25, that is 18, minus 18. Now you got 5n is equal to that value. Then here also 5n, you can get 5n is what? 5 times this. So, or you can substitute the value of n here. Then 5 times 3r minus 6. So 5 times 3r is 15r. 5 times 3r, 15r, minus 5 6 are 30 is equal to 12r minus 18. That is 15r minus 12r, that is 3r, is equal to 30 minus 18, that is 12. That implies r is equal to 4. 12 by 3, r is equal to 4. So we got r is equal to 4, 12 by 3, 4. Then n equal to what? That implies n is equal to 3 times r. So 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 6. 3 times r is 4, 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 6, that's equal to 6. Now we got the value of n and r. So n is equal to 6 we got. N equal to 6 means the term become 1 plus x all raised to 11. 1 plus x all raised to 11. N plus 5. N we got 6. So 1 plus x all raised to 11 is the term. Then in that term the largest coefficient is the middle one. Middle one is 11c5 or 11c6. So we can say the middle one is 11c5. So 11c5 will be the answer. We can find out the value of 11c5. That will be the answer. So we can find out the value of 11c5. That is 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 from 5 times divided by 5 into 4 into 2 into 1. Okay. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So into 3. 3 into 1. Now 2 5s are 10. This 10 cancel. And 4 and 8 cancel 2. 3 and 9 cancel 3. So we got 11 into 3 2s are 6, 4 6 7s are 42. 42. So 420 plus 42. 420 plus 462. 462 is there. That is third option. So the correct answer is third option. That is 462. That will be the final answer. Okay, the largest term. Now we can move to the next question. The next question. If the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the points P14. So a line. This is one line. Its perpendicular bisector. So this is a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular. This we can put A, B, the points A and B. P and Q here given. The perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the point P14. So P you can put 1 comma 4. And Q, that is K3. Q we can put K3. K3. These are the points P and Q. And y-intercept is equal to minus 4. Its y-intercept is minus 4 means it cuts the y-axis at minus 4. So the point is 0, minus 4. It cuts the y-axis means x-coordinate becomes 0. So 0, minus 4 will be a point on the line. Then the value of k is. So this perpendicular bisector, this is a perpendicular bisector. This perpendicular bisector meet the y-axis at minus 4. So it's one of the point on this line is 0, minus 4. 0, minus 4 is a point on this line. Then first we have to find out the equation of this line. That we can find out because it's passing through the midpoint. So what is the midpoint of this PQ? That is the point R we can put R. So the coordinate of R is the midpoint of PQ. Midpoint of PQ. That is K plus 1 by 2. K plus 1 by 2. And 3 plus 4, 7 by 2. 7 by 2. So we got a point, that is a midpoint. And its slope, we can find out the slope of this line. So first the slope of PQ. Slope of PQ is 3 minus 4, that is minus 1 by y2 minus y1 by k minus 1. So that is the slope of PQ. Therefore the slope of the line L is slope of the perpendicular line. Slope of L is perpendicular line is, take the reciprocal and change the sign. So minus become plus and reciprocal become k minus 1. So that is the slope of the line L. Therefore we can write the equation of the line L. Therefore the equation of the line L is, y minus 7 by 2. Y minus 7 by 2 is equal to k minus 1 into x minus k plus 1 by 2. X minus k plus 1 by 2. This is the equation of the line. Equation number 1 is the equation of the perpendicular line. Then that line passes through the point 0, minus 4. So we can put x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 4 in this equation. 0, minus 4 is a point on this line. That implies, so this become minus 4 minus 7 by 2. Minus 4 minus 7 by 2 is equal to k minus 1 into x becomes 0. So minus k plus 1 by 2. That's equal to 2 4s are 8. Minus 8 minus 7 minus 15. Minus 15 by 2 is equal to minus k plus 1 into k minus 1. That is minus of k square minus 1. K square minus 1. K plus 1 into k minus 1 by 2. Both by 2 cancel. Both side minus cancel. So k square minus 1 is equal to 15. So k square is equal to 16. So k is equal to plus or minus 4. So the value of k is plus or minus 4. Okay. So the value of k is 4 or minus 4. Is there minus 4? That is the fourth option. So answer is minus 4. Fourth option is the answer. Now the next question. That is the 20th question. Suppose the vectors x1, x2, x3 are the solutions of the system of linear equation ax equal to b. When the vectors on the right side is equal to b1, b2, b3 respectively, x is given, x1 is given, x2, x3 is given, b1, b2, b3 is given, then the determinant of a is equal to, question, find the determinant of a. So we need to find the determinant of a. So first we have to find out the a vector. So we can take that a vector as a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. That is matrix A. We can consider the matrix A as a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, and a3, b3, c3. Then question is given ax is equal to b. That means a into x1 is equal to b1, and a into x2 is equal to b2, and a into x3 is equal to b3. Like that is given. So first we can do a into x1 is equal to b1. So ax1 is equal to b1 implies ax1 is equal to b1. That implies this is a into a, that is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3 into x1. x1 is 1, 1, 1 is equal to b1. b1 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. When you multiply, you will get a1 plus b1 plus c1 is equal to 1. a1 plus b1 plus c1 is equal to 1. Next is a2 into 1, b2 into 1, c2 into 1. So a2 plus b2 plus c2 is equal to 0. a2 plus b2 plus c2 is equal to 0. Next a3 plus b3 plus c3 is again 0, is equal to 0. Now we got three equations. Similarly, we can do ax2 is equal to b2. ax2 is equal to b2. ax2 equal to b2 means this one we have to multiply it by, that is a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. We have to multiply it by x2. x2 is what? x2 is 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Then you will get b2. What is b2? b2 is 0 to 0. 0 to 0. And when you do that multiplication, a1 into 0. So 2b1 plus c1. 2b1 plus c1. 2b1 plus c1 is equal to 2b1 plus c1 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. We got another equation. Similarly, a2 into 0. 2b2 plus c2. 2b2 plus c2 is equal to 2. Next is 2b3 plus c3. 2b3 plus c3, that's equal to again 0. That is also 0. Now we got one more one pair of equations. The next is what? Ax3 is equal to Ax2 we got, now Ax3 is equal to B3. That implies, so here it's same, A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3 into x3. What is x3? x3 is 0 0 1, 0 0 1 is equal to, the right side is 0 0 2, B3 is 0 0 2. Now when you equate A1 into 0, B1 into 0, so C1. So we got C1 is equal to what? 0. From that you will get C1 equal to 0. And A2 into 0, B2 into 0, C2. C2 is equal to 0. Again C2 is equal to 0. And C3 is equal to 2. Now we got these values. By using these values, we can find out the value of C1, C2, C3 now you got. Then substitute the value of C1 here. So C1 is 0. That implies C1 equal to 0. If you put here, you'll get 2B1 equal to 0. That implies B1 equal to 0. And C2 is equal to 0. If you put here, you'll get 2B2 equal to 2. So B2 equal to 1. And C3 equal to 2. Substitute here. C3 is equal to 2. Then 2B3 equal to minus 2. B3 is equal to minus 1. So we got B3 is equal to minus 1. Then substitute these values in the first equation. First equation, you will get A1 plus B1 plus C1 is equal to 1. That B1 is 0, C1 is 0. B1, C1 are 0, therefore A1 is equal to 1. A1 is equal to 1. And second equation, C2 is 0, B2 is 1. So A2 is equal to minus 1. A2 is equal to minus 1. And third equation, B3 is minus 1. C3 is 2. So 2 minus 1, it become 1. Take the other side, become minus 1. So A3 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, we got the A matrix. A1, B1, C1. That is, A1 is 1, B1 is 0, C1 is 0. That is A1, B1, C1. A2, B2, C2. That is minus 1, B2 is 1, C2 is 0. A3, B3, C3. That is minus 1, B3 is minus 1, and C3 is 2. So we can expand this column, the last column, then only one time 2 into. So answer is 2 into 1 minus 0. So 1, 2 into 1, answer is 2. So 2 is there, that is the last option, fourth option. So the last correct answer is 2. That is the fourth option. Okay, fourth option is 2. Now we can move to the next question, 21st question. A test consists of 6 multiple choice questions. So number of questions is 6. Each question have 4 alternatives, for which only 1 is correct. The number of ways in which a candidate answer all 6 questions such that exactly 4 of them answer is correct. So 4 choice, only 1 will be correct. So possibility of correct is 1. The possibility of correct is 1. And the possibility of wrong is 3 possibility, because A, B, C, D, 4 options are there. Only 1 option will be correct, A or B or C or D. The other 3 will be wrong. So possibility of wrong will be 3. Exactly 4 correct is the question. So first we have to select. The total number is equal to, from 6 questions you have to select 4 questions. How many ways? 4 ways we can select. So 4 into, in that how many are correct? 4 are correct. So 1 raised to 4. That means 1 into 1 into 1. 4 questions are correct. So 1 raised to 4 into 2 questions will be wrong. That means wrong possibility is 3. So 3 ways it become wrong. So 3 square. 2 questions are wrong. So 3 square. So the answer is 64 into 3 square. 64 is same as 62. 62 its value is 6 into 5 by 2. 64 is same as 62. It's 6 into 5 by 2 into 3 square is 9. Now 2, 6 cancel 3. So answer is 3 into 5, that is 15. So 15 into 9, 15 into 9, that is 90 plus 45, so 135. So answer is 135. So question, the total number of case is the question. So answer is what? 135. Now we can move to the next question. That is 22nd question. PQ be a diameter of circle, x square plus y square is equal to 1, 9. The equation of circle is given. X square plus y square is equal to 9 is the equation of circle. That means the circle with center at origin and radius 3 units. If alpha beta are the length of the perpendiculars for P and Q, PQ is the diameter, so the length of the perpendicular from P and Q on the straight line x plus y is equal to 2 respectively, then the maximum value of alpha beta is. That's a question. Then the maximum value of alpha beta is. So we can draw a rough sketch, a circle, one circle, then a line, radius, circle radius is what? That is x square plus y square is equal to 9. That means 3 unit radius. So this will be 3, and this point is also 3. Radius is 3. So this is 3 0. This is 0 3. And PQ. So PQ is a point on the circle. So P and Q. PQ is a diameter. So we can draw a diameter. Any diameter like this we can draw. PQ is a diameter. And x plus y is equal to 2. That means the line drawing, we can draw like this. This is the line x plus y is equal to 2, because x equal to 0, y is equal to 2, and y equal to 0, x is equal to 2. This is that line. So what is the perpendicular distance? What is the sum of the distance product? Then the maximum value of alpha beta is the question. Okay, alpha and beta are the length of the perpendiculars for P and Q. So we can put this is P, this is Q. For this one we can take P, this one as Q. Then alpha and beta are this length of the perpendiculars. What is the maximum of alpha beta is the question. So first of all we can write a general point on this P. P is a point on the circle. So if point on the circle, the general, we know that r cos theta and r sin theta is a general point on the circle, and P is in the first quadrant, so we can take 3 cos theta, comma 3 sin theta is a point P. And the point Q we can write minus 3 cos theta, comma minus 3 sin theta. Now you got the 2 points in parametric form. 3 cos theta, 3 sin theta is P, and minus 3 cos theta, minus 3 sin theta is Q. Then the perpendicular distance from a line x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. We know the perpendicular distance from a point of the line, that is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So the perpendicular distance from the point 3 cos theta, 3 sin theta to this is modulus of 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2 by root 2, root of 1 square plus 1 square. That is the perpendicular distance from point P to that line, and the perpendicular distance from Q to that line is modulus of minus 3 cos theta minus 3 sin theta minus 2 by root 2. This distance is alpha beta. This alpha beta is maximum when this is the this is the value of alpha and beta. Okay, alpha and beta. Then alpha beta is maximum. So we have to find the maximum value of this alpha beta. This is alpha beta. Now this is modulus. So 1 by root 2 into 1 by root is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into this is 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2. 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2 into here modulus. So we can take the minus outside. So 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta plus 2. So we got 1 by 2 into this term. That's equal to 1 by 2 into. Now this you can put A. This as A and this as B. So A minus 2 into A plus 2. A minus 2 into A plus 2 is what? A square minus 4. So A square is 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta the whole square. A square minus 4. That's equal to half into. Now 3 is common. So 3 square, 9 into 9 we can take out. So 9 into. Now cos theta plus sin theta the whole square. That is cos square plus sin square is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, that is sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So 3 common take out. So 9 cos theta plus sin theta whole square is cos square plus sin square 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, that is sin 2 theta minus 4. That's equal to 9 minus 4, that is 5, half into 9 minus 4, that is 5 plus 9 sin 2 theta. 9 sin 2 theta. We know that one thing, sin 2 theta its maximum value is 1. So this one maximum value is 1. If it is 1, this become 9. So 9 plus 5, 14. So 14 by 2, 7. So the maximum value of this question is 7. The maximum value of the question is what? 7. This maximum value of alpha beta is 7. Okay. So answer is 7. Now we can move to the next question. Let fractional part of x and greatest integer x denotes the fractional part and greatest integer less than or equal to x respectively of real number x. Integral 0 to n fractional part x dx. What is the value of integral 0 to n fractional part of x? 0 to n fractional part x dx. We know that fractional part function is periodic with period 1. Every 1 after 1 its values repeat. So a function is periodic. We studied a property, integral 0 to nt f of x dx. You can write n into integral 0 to t f of x dx. So here n into 1, because it's n into 1, you can write nt 0 to nt f of x dx. If periodic with period t, then you can write it is n into integral 0 to t f x dx. It's a property. So fractional part x is periodic with period of 1. So this you can write n into integral 0 to 1 fractional part x dx. That is n into integral 0 to 1. Then what is 0.5 fractional part? That is 0.5, 0.8, 0.8. 0.3 fractional part is 0.3. That means if a number lies between 0 and 1, its fractional part is same as its number. So 0 to 1 fractional part of x is x itself. So x dx. Then you will get n into x integral is x square by 2. X square by 2. Limit from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Then when you put x equal to 1, you will get n by 2. So first term you got n by 2. Second one, 0 to n greatest integer x dx. 0 to n greatest integer x dx. What is greatest integer x? We know that greatest integer x means x minus the fractional part of x. Greatest integer of x, fractional part of x means x minus greatest integer x. Fractional part of x is x minus greatest integer x. So greatest integer x is what? X minus fractional part of x. X minus fractional part of x. So that greatest integer x, you can write x minus fractional part. If you put that value, this become integral 0 to n x minus fractional part x dx. That's equal to integral 0 to n x dx minus integral 0 to n fractional part x dx. That's equal to, this is integral is x square by 2. Then when you put n square by 2, you will get n square by 2. And 0 becomes 0 minus 0 to n fractional part x, already we got 0 to n fractional part x dx, answer is n by 2. So we got n square by 2 minus n by 2. That is, or n into n minus 1 by 2. N into n minus 1 all divided by 2. N into n minus 1 all divided by 2. Now you got 0 to n fractional part x dx, greatest integer x dx, both you got. Then the third term, 10 into n square minus n. These three terms are three consecutive terms of a GP, then n equal to. So these three terms are in GP, then the value of n is the question. So if these three terms are in GP, we can write, if A, B, C are in GP, A, B, C are in GP, then we know that B square is equal to AC. B square is equal to AC. So first fractional part, second greatest integer, and third 10 into n square minus n. These three are in GP. That the middle term is greatest integer. That is this one. So this one square, B square, that is n square into n minus 1 the whole square by 4. That is equal to A into C. A is n by 2 into C. C is what? 10 into n square minus n. That is 10 into n is common, so n into n minus 1. N square minus n, 1 n is common, so n into n minus 1. Now 1 n you can cancel. 1 n will cancel on both sides. 1 n minus 1 you can cancel. 1 n minus 1 will cancel. And again one more n is there. That n and this n will cancel. And this 2 and 10 you can cancel 5. That's all. So n minus 1 is equal to what? N minus 1 is equal to 4 5s are 20. That implies n is equal to what? 21. So the answer is, the value of n is 21. Okay. Then we can move to the next question. That is 24th question. A vector is given. A is equal to 2i plus j plus 2k. Then the value of I cross a cross I the whole square plus j cross a cross j the whole square plus k cross a cross k the whole square is equal to. That's the question. First of all, we can find out I cross a cross I is what? Suppose A is given this one, 2i plus j plus 2k. Suppose A is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Suppose this one is A vector. Then what is the value of I cross A cross I square? First we can find I cross A cross I. A cross I. I cross A cross I square we need to find. First this one is what? That is I dot I. I dot I is 1. 1 into A vector. 1 into A vector minus I dot A. I dot I is 1. 1 into A vector minus I dot A. What is I dot A? That is x. X. I dot A. I dot A into I. That is xi. So we got I cross A cross I is A minus xi. Its value is A minus xi. Its square. Question, its square. So A minus xi square. This vector square. So what is its value? A is what? A is 2i plus j minus 2k. So A is xi plus yj plus zk. That one minus xi. So xi cancel. So we got yj plus zk. So answer is yj plus zk. Yj plus zk is actually this one. Then this one square means I cross A cross I. Its modulus square. That means its magnitude square. Its modulus is what? Its modulus is root of y square plus z square. Root of y square plus z square. Its square. Modulus square means this one square. This one square is what? Y square plus z square. So we got this one square. I cross A cross I value is I dot I into A vector. I dot I is 1. So 1 into A vector minus I dot A into I vector. I dot A is x. So xi. Then A minus xi is A minus xi. If you minus xi, then yj plus zk. Its magnitude square. Its magnitude is root of y square plus z square. Its square, that is y square plus z square. We got I cross A cross I. Similarly, we can find j cross A cross j. So j cross A cross j. If you find the similar way, then that j coefficient won't be there. That means this term won't be there. So the answer will be what? X square plus z square. X square plus z square. Similarly, we can find the third one, k cross A cross k, the whole square. A cross k cross A cross k. The answer, k coefficient won't be there. So x square plus y square. X square plus y square. So when you take the sum, this sum is equal to what? How many x square is there? 2x square is there, 2y square is there, 2z square is there. So sum is 2 times x square plus y square plus z square will be the answer. 2 times x square plus y square plus z square. Then what is magnitude of this one? Root of x square plus y square plus z square. So what is the magnitude of this vector? That is, so 2 times x square plus y square plus z square is the answer. So answer is 2 times x square. What is x? 2. 2 square is 4. So 4 plus y square, that is 1 square, that is 1 plus z square, that is 2 square, that is 4. So answer is 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 9s are 18. So the answer is 18. The question number 24, the answer is 18. Now we can move to the last question. The last question, it came from statistics. Is the variance of the following frequency distribution. A class and frequency as given is 50, then the value of x is the question. So the variance is given 50, then the value of x. First we can find the mean. So mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. That is the mean. So fi xi. So we have to write the mid values. That is mid x is the xi. So mid x is first one is 15. So 2 into 15, that is 30 plus x into 25, that is 25x. 25x plus 35 into 2, that is 70. 35 into 2, that is 70, divided by 4 plus x, divided by 4 plus x. That's equal to 100 plus 25. 100 plus 25x divided by 4 plus x. So 125 is common. When you take out 25 into then 4 plus x divided by 4 plus x. Both 4 plus x cancel. So you got mean is 25. Now you got the mean of the distribution is 25. The next to find the variance. The variance is given as 50. So we know that variance sigma fi into xi square by n minus x bar square. This is a variance that is given as 50. The variance of the observation is given as 50. So fi into xi square. So what is that? Fi into xi square. So 10, 20 is middle is 15. So 15 square is 225. So 2 into 225. 2 into 225, that is 450. So 450 plus next 25 is the mid. So 25 square, that is 625. So 625 into x. 625x plus the next 35 square. 35 square is 3 4s are 12. 1225. 1225 into 2. So 1225 into 2, that is 2450. 2450 all divided by n. N is 4 plus x minus mean square. Mean is 25. So 25 square is 625 is equal to 50. Is equal to 50. That is 2450 plus 450. That is 2900. 2900 plus 625x. 625x is equal to 50 plus, that is 675 into 4 plus x into 4 plus x. That is 2900. 675 into 4. 4 6 are 2400 plus 300, that is 2700 is equal to 675x minus 625, that is 50x. So we got 200 is equal to 50x. That implies x is equal to 200 by 50. That's equal to 4. So answer is 4. Now we finished all the 25 questions in that paper. Okay, thank you.